Hello, thanks again for joining us. I want to talk today about how to increase your mortgage pre-approval amount. And we're going to talk about this because I know that some of you are searching for this online, or you're asking that question. So there are a few things that you can do to increase the mortgage pre-approval amount. The first thing is increase your credit scores. So the higher the credit scores, the lower the interest rate. And the lower the interest rate, the higher loan amount you can get approved for, because the loan amount will help, and the interest rate combined will come up with a payment amount, and that payment amount is included in your DTI calculation. And if you have a maximum DTI calculation that's here, and your loan amount now is bumping up against it, the best way to stretch that buying power is to get a lower interest rate, which means your payment's lower, which means you can get approved for a higher loan amount. Hopefully that makes sense. Another thing you can do is get a cosigner. Getting a cosigner that has income without too much debt can absolutely help you to qualify for a larger loan amount. So that one's an easy one. Another thing you can do is tell your loan officer that you're going to be shopping for a home in a town that has lower taxes. So a big thing that has an impact on how much you can get approved for is what they're using as the tax basis when determining your pre-approval amount. So if you're shopping in a town that has high taxes, you're going to be pre-approved for a lower loan amount than if you happen to be shopping in a town that has documented lower taxes. Another thing that you can do is not ask for a pre-approval for a property that has homeowners association dues, whether it's a condo, a townhouse, or a home that happens to be in a community with an HOA. The HOA fees, let's say they're $250, that $250 per month will lower the total loan amount you can get approved for, because you're using some of that pre-approval money in the HOA. And finally, just ask your lender to look at different loan option types. So for example, FHA, you can go up to 56.9% DTI, and if that's the case, depending on the scenario, that might mean that you can get approved for a higher, pre-approved for a higher loan amount. Hopefully that helps. If you want to speak to someone to get the most out of your pre-approval, then just follow us in the first pinned comment and also in the description down below to FHAlenders.com. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.